And welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about NIO and the possibility that it's going to get kicked out of the stock market. Anyways, but before we get started, can I please ask you guys to please drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. I do appreciate every single one of the 744 subscribers that I have. You guys are freaking amazing, and I do thank every single one of you guys because honestly, you guys are great. And you guys make me happy. You guys make me want to make more and more videos about this. If you guys ever want to talk about different options and different topics, or etc., don't forget to comment down below. I do have a couple of videos coming soon about a couple topics that you guys have commented, so please stay tuned for that video. So let's just jump into it and not make this video super long. NIO right now currently at $47.87. It did close today at a very well, actually it hasn't closed yet. It's a little bit too close, but it's how do I even say it? It started off pretty low today based on a short seller report that came out for another company, but that company is also Chinese, and there is a report right now saying that you know that Chinese stocks or companies might get booted from the New York Stock Exchange. So we're gonna get more into that right now. But NIO currently at $47.98. It did open up at $40.15, which was pretty low compared to what it closed yesterday. It did open up 11.5% down. So if we look right here, Chinese automaker Candy plunges nearly 30% after short seller Hindenburg accused it of fabricating sales to raise $160 million from U.S. investors. Now, even if something is not true, say for example, if Hindenburg was actually lying and they're just doing the short seller report for them to get gains, well, it still hurts everyone. It still hurts the company. It still hurts the sector. So right now, as you can see, Candy plunged 30%, but that's not the only thing that it did. It also made one of the a new fraud allegation against Chinese electric vehicle makers, especially Candy. You know, like Alibaba is a Chinese company, NIO is a Chinese company, Xpeng. So there's quite a bit of Chinese companies that we are currently making money off of, but they, like, if this is true, right? So say for example, if Candy did actually fake sales to raise the $160 million, that's gonna be horrible. And if they get booted from the stock exchange, stock market, that's gonna be horrible. First of all, right? Like for example, Alibaba fell on Monday. JD fell 4.5% as well, and NIO sank 6.4% as well. So that is pretty horrible. Beijing, you know, NIO is backed by the Chinese government, so it is one of the biggest EV companies that they have out there, and it's one of the biggest EV companies that is actually fighting against Tesla to be the best EV maker out there. I mean, as you can say, NIO currently at 47 compared to Tesla's $500, but there's still quite a bit of news happening. Today, the House is actually going to vote on that, so we will see what happens with that. No one has put out any news about it, but I just want to put this in your guys' radar so you guys have more information on it in case you want to sell or keep or whatever you guys want. Even though NIO was down, they quickly recuperated it as of today. So they went up 19% after falling this morning. NIO did beat the deliveries this month of November, well, the month of November, with 5,291 vehicles to customers, more than double its year ago total. So that is pretty amazing. They are creating huge potential. They are creating a lot of revenue. So this company, in my mind, is something to keep investing in, but you definitely have to keep in mind, just in case they are booted from the stock market. Sorry. They also did get a upgrade of price target. So Goldman Sachs, Fei Feng upgraded NIO to neutral from sell, and it raised the bank target on the stock to $59 from $7.70. So we're pretty much almost there, $10 off. So huge gain if everything goes right for them. It sucks that, just like the EV maker Nikola, how they got the a short seller report and they ended up being right. Everyone else lost a lot of money. Candy over here, if they did fake this, I don't know if they really did or not, but if they did really fake this sales, it's really gonna hurt all the Chinese companies, the EV companies, as well as some of the current EV companies that we have here in the US. As we can see, some of the EV sectors are low based on that. So definitely keep that in mind. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to put this information in you guys' radar so you guys see. I still think NIO is a huge potential winner in the long run. They are creating quite a bit of money, especially since they're up 756% as of 6 months. So that is freaking spectacular. Keep investing if they keep, obviously, in the stock exchange market. But definitely be aware, do your own homework. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. Do your own homework, talk to your financial advisor, and I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button, because it does go a long way in supporting the channel. And thank you very much to all 744 subscribers.